Hi everyone, Miss Turdick here, and today we're going to play a game called Wicked Water Dash. I thought with the nice weather upon us, why not get outside and do a game that just might involve you getting a little wet. So to play this game, you're going to want to make sure that you've got a trusted adult to supervise. Definitely do this game outside in your backyard or your front yard because yes, there's water involved and it may spill. You can do this game in Phys-Ed clothes and running shoes, or you may want to wear a swimsuit and bare feet. Just make sure that if you are in bare feet, you've done a thorough check of your area to ensure that there's nothing sharp that you might step on. To play this game, you're going to need to have at least 2 large buckets. So as you can see, I've got this bucket here and I filled it to the top with water. I've also got at the opposite end of my backyard a recycle box. The bucket that you choose to fill with water initially should be the smaller of the 2 buckets if you're using buckets that are not the same. You'll also need to have a smaller container that you can use to transfer water from one of the buckets or containers to the other. So in this case, I'm going to be using the soup container to transfer water from this smaller bucket to my recycle box at the opposite end of my yard. I'm also going to have an object to mark my starting area, and for that I'm going to use this tea towel. When choosing your object, make sure you choose something that's not going to blow away if it is a windier day. So let's get started with the game. Don't mind my dandelion patch. As you can see, I'm not much of a gardener. I prefer to do indoor housework and activities involving physical fitness. So let's lay our tea towel here. And you may want to have a timing device if you're competing against yourself, or if you don't have enough buckets or containers for each participant, you can time each individual as they take part, and obviously the participant with the fastest time will be the winner. Have a pencil and a piece of paper handy so you can record those times so you don't forget them. Now just remember, if you have enough large buckets, try to give each participant buckets that are in equal size, just so one participant doesn't have an advantage over the other. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to run down as fast as I can to my bucket, fill this container with water, run back as fast as I can, and pour it into this recycle box. So let's get started. Okay, on my mark, get set, go. For the sake of time, I'm not going to finish the entire bucket, but I think you get the idea. This game is a lot of fun, and it's a great way to cool down on a hot day. Take care and enjoy the Wicked Water Dash.